Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Sites for course websites, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Sites. Log in using your Google account credentials. Once logged in, click on the plus button at the bottom right corner to create a new site. You will be directed to a blank template where you can start building your course website. Begin by entering your course name in the Untitled Site field at the top. Add a header by clicking on the header section. Choose a header type that best fits your course, such as a large banner or title only. In the header, upload an image or logo relevant to your course if desired. Next, select the layout for your homepage by clicking on the Insert menu. You can choose from various layout options to structure your content effectively. To add text, click the text box option from the Insert menu. Enter the course description or any introductory content in the text box. You can customize the font style, size, and color from the toolbar above. To include images or videos, click on the Images or YouTube option in the Insert menu. Follow the prompts to upload an image or input the YouTube video link. For additional pages, click on the Pages tab on the right side of the screen. Click the plus button to add a new page to your site. Name your page appropriately, such as assignments or resources. Repeat the layout and content addition steps for each new page you create. To create navigation, ensure all pages are listed under the Navigation tab. You can choose to have a top navigation bar or sidebar for easy access. Once your pages are set up, click the Preview button to see how your course website looks. Make any adjustments necessary based on the preview. When satisfied with your site, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Customize the web address for your course site to make it memorable and relevant. Adjust visibility settings to share your site with students or keep it private. Finally, click Publish again to make your course website live. Congratulations, your Google Sites course website is now configured and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.